So this problem is going to deal with least common multiple, which was hand in hand with the greatest common factor. This is the opposite side of it. When you're looking for multiples, you're looking for a product, which is the answer when you multiply two or more factors. In this instance, we have a pack of tulips, roses, and lilies. With the tulips, 6 come in each pack. With the roses, 12 come in each pack. And with the lilies, 9 come in each pack. But the question is, what is the least amount of flowers we can buy if we want the same number of each? We start there. We'll answer the second part in a moment. So that first part is saying, well, how many if we want to have the same number of flowers? This is when you get your multiples. The multiples of 6 is what we would look for the tulips. So we would say 1 times 6 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. We know that 18 is also a product or a multiple of 9. So we're going to keep that in mind, that they have that in common. But 12 doesn't have 18 as one of its multiples, so we'll keep going up. So now we can look at 6 times 4 is 24. We know that 24 is a multiple of 12, but it's not a multiple of 9, so we're going to keep going. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to look at this number 36. I know that 36 is a product or a multiple of 12, because if I do 12 times 3, I'm going to get 36. I also know that 9 is a factor of 36, because when I do 9 times 4, I get 36. So that actually ended up being the smallest number that we can have in common, which we would call the least common multiple. The multiple is the answer you get when multiplying. So we see that 36 would be the smallest number of flowers we could pick up. The second part says, how many packs of each? Well, I'm going to have to do 36 divided by 6, and that means I need 6 packs of tulips. With roses, I'm going to do 36 divided by 12, which means I'll need 3 packs of roses. And finally, we go back to the lilies. If we do 36 divided by 9, we get 4. So I would need 4 packs of lilies. So the LCM, or least common multiple, is 36, because that is the smallest number that they all have in common when multiplied by another factor. I hope this helps.